Superman punch by Roman Reigns to Paul Heyman. Roman is going for the spear, but here comes... Oh, who's this guy? Braun Breaker. Roman Reigns, oh, right hand to Breaker. The OTC is in so much pain. But the dog is very angry. Braun Breaker. Rollins. Oh! Braun Breaker spears Roman Reigns through the barricade. The visionary Seth Rollins is here with Paul Heyman on Raw after WrestleMania.
Fuck you, Heyman!
The chants for Paul Heyman. You deserve it, Paul. Oh, here comes CM Punk. Remember last night at WrestleMania, Paul Heyman screwed CM Punk in the triple threat match, and now Punk is here for the revenge. CM Punk is beating the hell out of Seth freaking Rollins. The visionary is down. Look at Paul Heyman. He wants to attack CM Punk, but he is also scared. Looks like now Paul Heyman will face some issues as the best in the world is setting his sight towards him.
You fuck up! You fuck up! You fuck up! You fuck up! You fuck
Hit
up!
Paul Heyman with the GTS. Oh! CM Punk attacks Paul Heyman, but Seth Rollins saves him. Puts the fingers in the eyes of CM Punk, and now Seth Rollins, the visionary, stomps CM Punk.
Going to conclude the weekend of WrestleMania 41 by propelling the news all the way to WrestleMania 42.
Insulting CM Punk.
Reigning, defending,
Just look at this.
number one top star in this entire
How just in a day, Paul Heyman changed
Ladies
everything.
and gentlemen, Seth Rollins.
Oh, here comes the tribal chief. Roman Reigns is here to punish Seth Rollins. Roman Reigns is also here to punish Paul Heyman. Look at the OTC. He just wants to destroy everyone who came in his path. Oh, Roman Reigns spears Seth Rollins. And now Paul Heyman is just shocked. Roman Reigns knows. Oh, Superman punch to Paul Heyman. You deserve it, fraud. The bald fraud Paul Heyman deserve this beating. Spear him, Roman. Do it. The roar of a lion. Oh! The guy in hoodie just speared Roman Reigns. And that's the dog, Braun Breaker. So Seth Rollins and Braun Breaker came face to face. Oh! Breaker speared Punk. Also, the dog, Braun Breaker, is the new Paul Heyman guy. Can you believe it? Oh, Seth Rollins hugged Braun Breaker. The Visionary and the Dog are together. Oh. Satan Heyman told Breaker to beat the hell out of Roman Reigns. To beat Roman Morrow. Right hand by Reigns. Stuns Breaker. The OTC is in trouble. Look at this. Roman Reigns in so much pain. But Braun Breaker is very angry at the same time. Oh, Breaker. Rollins told him to spear Roman Reigns and Braun Breaker followed the order. Speared Roman Reigns to the barricade. Destroyed the tribal chief completely. And now Seth Rollins wants Roman back in the ring. And Breaker brings him back inside the ring. CM Punk and Roman Reigns, both men are down. Oh, Seth Rollins. Cops down to CM Punk. The best in the world is destroyed. And now Seth Rollins sets his sight on the OTC. Braun Breaker and Seth Rollins. New alliance of Paul Heyman. Stomp to Roman Reigns. Look at this stomp with another camera angle. Very dangerous. The third one. Bang! Roman Reigns and CM Punk. Oh, what is this happening? Oh, that's the Apex Predator Randy Orton. He's here to attack John Cena. RKO out of nowhere. Randy Orton just destroyed John Cena. Randy Orton is here for the undisputed WWE Championship. John Cena becomes 17-time world champion and now Randy wants to win his 15th. Oh, unseen footage of Braun Breaker before attacking Roman Reigns on Monday Night Raw. This is how Braun Breaker was waiting for the moment he had to enter into the ring, and now the WWE official told him to enter. Braun Breaker, the Dog. Look at Breaker. Roman is about to spear Paul Heyman, but Braun Breaker, the Dog. Oh, spear Roman Reigns. Wow. The power, the speed, the aggression of Braun Breaker is unmatchable. Seth Rollins and Braun Breaker comes together. Oh, spear to Punk. Seth Rollins is laughing at all this situation. Oh, John Cena versus Cody Rhodes. Undisputed championship match, WrestleMania 41. Eva John Cena. Kick out by Cody Rhodes. Here comes Travis Scott. John Cena is very happy after seeing his friend here in WWE again. Cena wants Scott to slap Cody again, just like he did at the Elimination Chamber. Oh! Cody got Cena. Crossroads. Cover. Oh, Travis Scott. Cody is telling Travis Scott to come inside the ring and slap him again. Oh, this is gonna be A big mistake for Travis Scott, I think. Oh, Scott is showing his abilities. Cody Rhodes is very angry and wants to destroy Travis Scott. It's revenge time. Oh, Travis was going to slap the American Nightmare, but Cody caught him. Cody Rhodes really caught him. Crossroads by the American Nightmare. Cody Rhodes. Oh, John Cena. Look at John Cena. John Cena is back inside the ring. Oh. Oh, Cody caught Cena red-handed with the title. Oh. John Cena using his tactics to protect himself from Cody Rhodes here. Cody telling Cena, you want to be a bad guy? Looks like you are good one. Oh! But Cena has no problem being a bad guy. He's a bad man. Shocking the world by standing alone. John Cena with the title, the undisputed championship. Oh! Takes out Cody Rhodes with the title. Beats him up with the title. John Cena. Cover. 1, 2, 3. Champ is here. John Cena is your 17th-time WWE champion. Subscribe Wrestling Phenomena for more action like this. Thanks for watching.